In 2016 Lincoln MKX, the Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.